Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you all? So, a few days back I saw a video on Nikki's channel where she went to a Milan fashion show. So, in that particular fashion show, there were the biggest of the models, Gigi Hadid, Bella Hadid, Kendall Jenner, and many more. And they were all ramp walking for Versace. And they had this particular eye look. So she did this green eye makeup. Now this is not anything new. I have seen this type of makeup before. People do this, people try this, but that particular emerald green color looked so beautiful to me. I was like, dude, I need to try this because being this Christmas season, I am actually seeing a lot of green eyes happening. This emerald green color looks so pretty. I was so tempted to do that, but unfortunately I don't really have any green color, any true emerald green color. I do have darker ones, the lighter ones, more on the light green side and all that stuff, but not exact emerald green, which is a pity on me because I should have all these vibrant colors, right? In my head I tried to calculate what other colors would work for this particular look. I thought about other colors like blue. I was like, yeah, I have to do blue for sure because blue is my favorite color. I need to do blue. But then I realized I have done a lot of blue eyes already. Other colors came into mind like purple and all that stuff. So, you know what, at the end of the day, I decided I'm not going to restrict myself to just one color or two colors. We are actually going to do 5. Now, I don't know if I'm going to do like full for each eye. I'm just going to try it on one. If that looks good, I'm going to try it on both to show you how it looks on both. And yeah, maybe I can try for both. I don't know. I'll try for both. So I'll do for 5 colors, and the colors would be blue, orange, yellow, purple, and one would be black and brown kind of smoky. So for you, you will have a lot of variety with this particular video. You're going to see it with different colors. You have already seen it with green. You can see it with blue, yellow, orange, purples, and blacks and browns and all. And this is a pretty simple look, to be honest. There's nothing like blending and all that stuff. You just have to create the outline and fill it, which is pretty simple as compared to the other makeup. I think that will give you a huge idea of which color might suit you, which color you should be trying. And my earring is falling, just not having it today. So yeah, the important thing is that Nikki did it all with shimmer shades. They were metallic shimmer shades. But for most of the colors, especially for yellow and orange, I don't have shimmers in orange or in yellow. So that is going to be one thing. I'm going to try that with matte. So you can have a look how it looks with matte as well as with shimmers and metallics. So all in all, I'm going to say is you're going to have a lot of variety, and this is a type of video I've never done on my channel. It has a lot of hard work today. I have to like do makeup, clean makeup, do makeup, clean makeup, which is a huge task in itself. So yes, we'll not waste time, we'll move in. And also let me tell you, I am just going to show you the proper technique for one eye, maybe for blue and for the smoky one, because smoky one might change a little bit. And for the other 3 colors, I'm just going to take you through the tutorial to save time. I'm not going to explain this to you. So yep, that is what it is. Let's move into the video. Let's move. Now, before jumping in, make sure you subscribe to my channel if you like me or you like my videos, and press the bell icon to get notified whenever I post a video. Also, follow me on social media. All the details and links are given in the channel art. Press them, you will get redirected, and just follow me everywhere. Okay, so I have zoomed you in so that you can see properly, because this is gonna have like a lot of intricate details. So I'm going to show you. Now I'm starting off with an eye pencil first. This one is from Incolor. It's a blue color eye pencil. You can use any blue color eye pencil for this matter. And what we are going to do is now use tape for almost every eye makeup tutorial that I do. There are very few that I don't have the tape on, but for this particular makeup I would highly suggest putting an eye tape, because that will help you to get that perfect shape. For this video, the utility of the tape is more than anything. So let me just draw the outline of a wing, right? And starting from this particular corner and from the crease, taking it all outside like this. This is going to be the rough shape, right, for you to understand. And yeah, this is how it is. You can clean it later if you want it to be like a little bit more precise. Yep. So this is a very perfect shape, to be honest. It looks so good. Okay, so for blue color today, I'm going to use this particular palette. This is the Huda Beauty Electric Obsessions palette, and it does have like 3 pretty blues. And yes, that is all we want. Now coming to the brushes for this particular look, I would suggest you to use the very tapered thin brushes, like the brushes like this. Can you see this type of brush, or this type of brush? I'll start with the tiniest one that has the smallest surface. So I'll start with this particular color, right, and then we will move into this particular color. So I think we will first start off with cleaning the eyeliner. This blue is extremely intense. Now from here we are going to start with this particular shade to give it a shimmer effect. And then for the inner corner we are going to take the lightest blue and we are going to put that. Did you see? This is how one eye turned out. Now this is a pretty simple look because you don't need a wing liner. You don't need to put like a ton of force into blending and stuff. So this is pretty easy. And even you don't even have to put like do the same thing in the lower lash line. This is going to stay till here only. Now only thing is put the mascara and put on some lashes. That is the only thing you need to do for this particular look. And this is a bold look in itself. Can you see? I love it. I mean, this looks so pretty. I'm already loving it so much. This is how it looks with the blue eye makeup, and I just did the mascara and the lashes. I have not put any wing liner, and oh my god, it looks so beautiful. I swear, you can just wear this and go for grocery shopping. Yeah, fine day, right? I think this is more like a bold look that can amp up any outfit. I mean, it looks so bold yet so gorgeous. Wow, I love it when blue color does this to me. If you have seen the song, the Little Mix song with Nicki Minaj, Woman Like Me, Jade actually did this sort of eye look and I wanted to do it since that day. But today when I did this, I realized it is just exactly like that and it looks so good. Now also I would like to say this, if you want to see more of this particular look and pictures on these looks, you can tune into my Instagram. I'm going to put a lot of pictures, a lot of videos regarding this. So yeah, do check that over there also. Now, I think yeah, I'll clean this and I'll move into the another color now. I'll be taking the yellow color on the brush and then I'll put the setting spray on it so that it can stick to the eye. Now, honestly, this is not as vibrant as blue, but with this particular, vibrancy, I would say it looks good. Now, I'm not going to do it on another eye. I'm going to do orange for this particular eye. So, I'll put lash this side. I'll do orange, then we'll do lashes, and then we'll see side by side which looks better. Orange looks pretty vibrant. I would say it looks pretty. I think orange looks really, really pretty as compared to yellow. I'm loving the orange one though. The yellow one, of course, I would not suggest the yellow one. The yellow one looks a little bit, you know, like out of the place. You can do the yellow if you use the brown, right? Use the brown and then put yellow on the other half, brown and half brown, half yellow would do good. But full yellow, no, I won't suggest that. But orange looks really nice. I think I'll do an entire eye with orange. I want to do that. Okay, so this is how the orange looks. Can you see? I mean, I would say the blue was very vibrant and looked really bomb, but orange is no less. I think it looks beautiful, equally beautiful, and I would say orange from my side is a big thumbs up. I mean, this serves like a huge summer vibe, you know, it's like a full on summer thing, and I would definitely say try the orange one. It's so beautiful. Can you see? I think it looks really good. Does it match? It probably matches. I think, wow, this is intense too. I think I'll do it on the other eye and I'll put lashes and then I'll show you how it looks again. Okay, so this is how the purple looks. Again, it looks very vibrant and very pretty. It looks bomb. And yeah, so all I can say is, I think this is one pro tip that I have understood, that try to have these kind of looks with I would say shimmer metallic shades rather than matte shades like the one we had with yellow. If you do this with shimmer shades, it's gonna look bomb. It's gonna look really bomb. Right now we are just left with one, that is black, and yeah, I'll remove this and then we'll move into black. And of course, again reminding you, if you want to see more on these looks, please tune into my Instagram too. Finally, the last of the lot now, which is the smoky eye one, and of course we're gonna have like blacks and browns for that particular thing. So for lining the eye, I'm gonna use a simple gold pencil, and I'm using this from L'Oreal. Now we're gonna start off with the Huda Beauty Smoky Obsessions palette. I'm going to take the black color over here, and yes, same thing, same stuff. Now from here onwards, I'm gonna dive into the darker brown. Can you see, I just took it from the black itself so that you don't have to like blend it a lot. Now as compared to the other eyes, this one is going to be a little tricky as well as a little difficult to do because you know, you have to blend the harshness. I'm going to take this lighter color and I'm going to put it. Now, of course, this being a smoky eye, of course, it's not for the faint-hearted ones. It is an extremely bold look, and not everyone can really carry this particular look. And obviously, I would say this is not for all the occasions. The blue and the black ones are the ones, I would say, the bolder ones. The pink, the purple and the orange were the pretty, you know, they were more like something you can carry out with everything. So yeah, let me do the lashes and mascara and then I'll show you how it looks. So this is how this one turned out, and as I was saying, just like the blue one, this is the bolder one as compared to, I would say, the orange and the purple ones that were more like something you can carry out more easily. Blue and this one, they are the bolder ones. They are like, you know, they are that very prominent kind of ones, but I pretty love them. You know, I think they do look really good. They look really cool. This is more like a Hawkeye kind of moment, and I love it absolutely. And yes guys, this is it for today's video, and you know what, I did something new and I hope you guys like it. And if you did like it, please hit the like button, because This video, this is one of my very favorite videos, you know, the ones I have shot till, you know, till the history, you know, since the history of my channel. And I really enjoyed doing this because it was like a whole journey of color. So yeah, please hit the like button if you like this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll meet you in the next video. And by the way, Happy New Year! Bye bye.